Hello everyone, take a look at this bizarre picture. Now, in reality, it was just a normal shopkeeper in Athens taking his mannequin to his shop. However, when we see a picture like this or a scene like this in the streets and we take it out of context, it becomes a living street photo that has a lot of value to it. Whenever you're dealing with any type of photography, if you pre-arrange all the aspects of your camera that you'll need for the shoot, you will be ready. Now, before you stop this video, because that is such an obvious statement, I would like to explain that every type of photography has a different need for exposure. So for example, in street photography like this at night, in the streets of Athens or any city, I like to use auto ISO. Yes, that's right, auto ISO, and the lowest f-stop number possible. And you could also say your lens is wide open, meaning as much light gets in as possible, and also aperture priority. So those combinations work really well for me so that I'm always ready to shoot. Now, for example, this is a little bit of a dark scene. There is, of course, light in any city street, but you're going to want to use, if possible, what's called a prime lens. Now, a prime lens usually is faster than a zoom lens. What this means is you can photograph in darker areas much better than a zoom. So if you have the ability to buy a used prime lens, then I would definitely suggest that you get it. You don't need to buy new, buy used is fine. And the prime lenses mixed with aperture priority, auto ISO, and the lowest aperture f-stop number possible, you will have a winning situation when you're in the cities looking for great street photographs. This is especially true at night. Now in the day, it's completely different, and I will do a video on day street photography and the parameters that I use for that too. Okay, I hope that tip helped, and I would really appreciate if you share this with your friends if you feel that it was useful. See you tomorrow, and happy photography.